Hi, in the series of calendar lectures, now we'll try to solve few examples which are came up in lot of examinations. Let's try to solve this question. So this question came in previously TCS, CTS, Wipro, Capgemini and ICET. If 26th January 1997 was a Friday, what day was the week lies on 26th January 1998? Guys, if you closely observe 26th January 1997 to 26th January 1998, this gives you there is a gap of 1 year. But here you need to understand any of these 2 years, any relation with leap year or not, because 1 year, one ordinary year will have 1 odd day, leap year will have 2 odd days. So 1997 to 1998 there is a 1 year gap. 1997 is a leap year, divide with 4. 97 is going to divide with 4 because you should know the divisibility rule of 4. What is the divisibility rule of 4? If the last 2 digits are going to divide with 4 exactly, then the whole number is going to divide with 4. So 97 is going to divide with 4? No. 98 is going to divide with 4? No. So any leap year's connection is there? No. So I can say 1 odd day. So take this date, take the day and add 1. So Friday plus 1, it's going to be what? Saturday. Okay, Friday plus 1, it's going to be what? Saturday. Very simple questions. If you know the concept of odd days, the job is very easy. Let's try to solve one more question. So, I told you know in the previous video how to solve easily. I'll tell you here. Okay, guys, what day of the week? 18th April 1994. So, step number 1, you know, you have to take the complete years. Complete years are 1993. And you have to split these days into your comfort zone. 1600 will have 0 odd days, 300 will have 1 odd day, and 93 years is going to write separately. So 1600 will have 0 odd days, 300 will have 1 odd day, and 93 years will have 93 odd days, plus how many leap years were there? You have to divide 93 with what? 4. 4 2s are 8, 1, 3, 4 3s are 12. So it's going to be 23. Guys, what is the trick I am telling you is, guys, finally what you will do? You will add everything and you will divide with what? 7. Instead of that, so instead of adding everything and dividing with 7, you know, why don't you do like this? Guys, you should be very clear with the multiples of 7. Guys, if you divide, guys, 21 is a multiple. When you divide with this 23 with 7, you will left with what? 2. And guys, if you closely observe here, 93. Guys, do you have any idea in multiples of 93? Instead of that, you know the 7 table, right? 7, guys, if you closely observe, 84 is going to be a multiple of 7. If you add 7 to it, how much is going to be? 91. So 91 is multiple. So can I, guys, it look like pretty simple once you know the multiples. So once 93 is going to divide with 7, again you will left what? 2. So I can say overallly with the days I have 5 odd days. Okay, I have how many odd days? 5 odd days. Okay, so 0, 1, 93 because 91 is a multiple of 7. Okay, 23, 21 is a multiple of 7. I left with what? 2. I left with what here? 2 again. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 is what? 5 odd days. So you got 5 odd days here. So you have to quickly go to January 3, February. Ask yourself a question. 94 is a leap year? No. Because 94 is not going to divide with 4. So February is going to how many? 0. March is going to be what? 3 odd days. Okay, April. So hang on at April. In April, which day you want? 18th. Okay. In previously what we have did, we added everything and divided with 7. But I know 14 is a multiple of 7. Okay. So if I strike it out and I can write 4 here. 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay. Finally, I can say there is only 3 odd days. Okay. There is only how many odd days? 3. So the total odd days are how many? The total odd days are going to be here 5 plus 3, which is 8 days. When this is 8 days, so when you divide 8 with 7, okay, you left with what? 1. So 1 means which day? Monday. That's it, guys. Okay, that's it. Once you know the logic, the job is very easy. Instead of adding 93, 23 and 1, try to look at the near multiples. 91 is a multiple. So when you divide 93 with 7, you will get remainder 2 only. That's what I am writing here. Okay. If you divide 23 with 7, you will get remainder 2 only. So you can strike it out. 93 and 23, you can write 2, 2 and 1. It's easy, 5 odd days. Here also. Don't add 18, 3 and 3. It's going to be big task to you. But 18 is going to divide with what? When you divide with 7, you left with what? 4 only, because 14 is a multiple of 7. And 3 plus 4 is what? 7. 7 is a multiple of 7. You left with what? 3 here. So here I have 3 odd days. Here I have 5 odd days. Total I have 8 odd days. But 8 odd days again, it is exceeding 7 odd days. So what you are going to do is, if you divide 8 with 7, you left with what? 1. So 1 day is going to be nothing but which day? That day is going to be Monday. So this is how you need to answer your questions. Hope everybody understood. These type of questions you can see definitely on TCS, Wipro, Capgemini and iSET. Okay, hope everybody understood this particular question. Next example, this is very, very important. The last day of the century cannot be. Guys, if you closely observe in first video, first 100 years will have 5 odd days, 200 years will have 3 odd days, and 300 years will have 1 odd day, 400 years will have 0 odd days. Okay guys, what codes are this? 0 is Sunday, 1 is Monday, okay, this is Wednesday, okay, and 5 means what? Friday. Okay, so century years can be Friday. The last day of the century years can be what? Friday, Wednesday, Monday and Sunday, which cannot be. Okay, which cannot be, the last day of the century year would be what? Saturday. So it cannot be Saturday. Okay, because Saturday should have 6. What are the numbers I left with? 2. 1, 2, 3 was there, 4 is also not there. So which cannot be? Saturday, Tuesday and Thursday. So these cannots will not come last day of the century, because I have Friday, Wednesday, Monday and Sunday. So which cannot be Saturday, Tuesday or Thursday. Okay, this is a nice explanation. If you don't know this particular part, you can't answer this particular question. Hope everybody understood. Let's move on to the next question. Baby question, which of the following year is not a leap year? Okay, which is not a leap year? Okay, guys, look at here. 1960 is a leap year. So this is a normal year. Divide with 4. So this is going to divide with 4. 4 ones are 4. I left with 3. Yes, it's a leap year. 2080. 80 is going to divide with 4. Yes, it's a leap year. 2024 is going to divide with 4. Yes, it's a leap year. But 2100, it is a century year. You have to divide with what? 400, not with 4. 2400 is a leap year? No, it's a non-leap year, because 2100 is not going to divide with 400. So it's not a leap year. Hope everybody understood this particular question. So answer is what? Option D is going to be the correct answer. Let's try to solve one more question. Yeah. The calendar of the year 2001 is same for which of the following years? So I told you, whenever 2001 is a leap year, no, just add 11. Okay, which is what? 2012. But 2012 is a leap year? Yes. So what I told you? 2001 plus what? 6. So you will get what? 2007. So 2007, which is have the same calendar year. I mean, you will get the same. Okay. So that's it, guys. These type of questions you can see in, Wipro, Capgemini, iSET and CTS examinations. See how simple, how easily we can answering the questions. Because 2001 plus 11, 2012 is a leap year. A normal year, same calendar, should not have the leap year. 2001 plus 6. Okay, then 2007 is a normal year, 2001 is also a normal year. So that's how you can get your answers easily. Let's try to solve one more question. Yeah, if today is Monday after 61 days, okay, if today is Monday after 7 days, the same day is going to come. Okay, just divide 61 with 7. Okay, 7 how many? Instead of doing this, why don't we do the cross one? Guys, look at here. 61. Can I say 63 is going to be Monday? Because 63 is a multiple of what? 7. Okay, when 63 is a multiple of 7, 2 days back, because 62 is going to be Sunday, then 61 is going to be what? Saturday, no? Yes or no? Because 63 is a multiple of what? 7. Because 7 9s are 63. Because after every 7th day, 14, 21, 35, like that, 16th day is also Monday. When 16th day is Monday, 62nd day is Sunday, 61st day is going to be what? That day is going to be what? Saturday. That is easy. Otherwise, divide 61 with 7, take the remainder and add to Monday. That also give your answer. Okay, so that's how you have to get your answer. Let's try to solve one more question. If 6th March 2005 is Monday, what was the day of the week on 6th March 2004? See, so this is a reverse way of answering the questions. Guys, look at here. Very simple. Guys, 6th March 2004 to 6th March 2005. It will give you a complete year? Yes. But the point is this. 2004 is a leap year? Yes. When 2004 is a leap year, definitely, guys, can you get 2004 to 2005 March? How many days will be there? 2004 to 2005 March, you will have only 365 days. Okay, you will have only 365 days, because one extra day come in which month? Yeah, one extra day is going to come in which month? One extra day is going to come in which month? February. Already the February is got completed. So I don't have any other issues, because 16th March 2004 to 16th March 2005, I have only 365 days. I know this day is what? Monday. Okay, so now you have to go backward. So you have to minus 1. Then that day is going to be what? Sunday. Okay, if I ask you a question, 16th February 2004 is Friday, then 16th February 2005 is which day? When this is the question, now concentrate. 16th February 2004 to 16th February 2005, you will have 366 days. Because I will get 29th February in between. So, you will have the concept of leap year. Yes, 2004 here also leap year. But the point is what? February is already done. Here the February I have in between the year. So I have 366 days. Which means what, guys? You will have 2 days here. So Friday plus 2 days. So that day is going to be what? Sunday. So concentrate whether they are asking in between February or after February. That is very, very important. Okay. If after March, any day you can take 365 days. But if the day got before the February, you have to be take care of it. So answer for this question is what? Sunday. You have to go one day backwards. So that's going to be what? Sunday. You have to recognize where there are 365 days or 366 days. So that's where your job finish. Hope everybody understood. Okay, so these type of questions came up in Wipro, Capgemini and ICET examinations. Let's try to handle one more question. Okay, how many days are there in a week of X week and X days? Guys, it's very simple. X weeks and X days. Guys, a week. Okay. Guys, it's very easy when you are solving these type of questions. You have to be think. Okay, because these type of questions came up in the companies called CTS, TCS, Wipro, okay, Capgemini and ICET. When you are looking at these type of questions, it's very easy. When you are calculating these type of questions, you have to be thorough with the concept. Guys, it's very simple. X weeks and X days. Guys, a week have how many days? 7. Okay, so X weeks have 7 into X days, plus how many extra days you have? X days. So the total number of days is going to be what? 7x plus x. That will give you 8x days. So answer for this question is what? 8x. Okay, the question look like very difficult, but actually the question is going to be very easy. Okay, 1 week contains what? 7 days. So there are x weeks, so 7 into x days, and again there are x days extra. So you have to write plus x. The total number of days are going to be what? Let's say there are 5 weeks and 7 days. Then it's going to be what? Total, if you want how many days? 7 5s are 35 plus 7. So that's going to be what? 42. So that's how you have to get your answer. Hope everybody understood this particular question. So the calendar of the year 2007 will be the same calendar of the year for what? So I told you the shortcut. 2007 is a leap year? No. So add 11. So 8102. So 2018 is a leap year? No. So your answer directly is what? 2018. That's it, guys. See, in 2 seconds you can get your answer if you understand the logics in this particular concept. So these type of questions you will see in the concept of calendars. Hope everybody understood the concept.